Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm tutorial we are going to create algorithm that it will create multiplication tables, and as you know, from 1 until 10, and I already created from the solution multiplication table, and make it as a startup project. I right click it and then set as a startup project. Now, I'm not going to create a method, I just want to create of codes inside our main method. So first, for multiplication table, we need two for loops each other. Let's say this is first, and I will start from 1 and until 10, and let's come inside this one. Let's declare the second loop, and I call it J, and it's also start from 1. Yes, and until 10. It should be less, yeah. This is our multiplication table, and what we are going to do, we will say console right line, and we'll do, just put a symbol here and say I multiply J, and I will say equal. Let's put a space from here, and third way I will say I multiply J. And for each, for example, once it starts from 1 until 10, it will be finished, it will multiply, and then I want to put a console right line. That right line will separate as a separator. I will do something like this. Let's say let me do something like this. Maybe this is better. Something like this. And we say I and J, but J, it will not be here. What we can do, 1 minute. Sorry. Let's do like this only. Let's run how multiplication table is functioning. As you see that this is 1 until 10, this is 2, 3, 4, and 10. This is our multiplication table. Maybe we would like to make some modification with this one. For example, we can do with the coloring, and yeah, I can do like I would like to change the forecolor of this console. How I can do that? I will come here, I will say console foreground color, and it asks for the console color red, for example. If I run our color, it will be red, but I just want to go to the console column enumeration, and I want to see the other color. I will go to definition, and let's see what is there. as you see that we came, because we'll not use a black color, since if we use it we cannot see it because our background color is black. So beside the black, from 1 until 15 I can use all this color. So how I will do that? I will just this, I will say new random, and then I will say next. We say will not start from 1, then I will write so from not 1, from 0, then I will write 1. This is and then I will write the max value. We say it is 15, yeah, so I have to write 16 because in random and then we'll convert this one to console color, something like this, because since this is enumeration, it has a value. For example, we can either write on the console color dark blue, we'll get a dark blue, or if we write the 1, we'll again get the dark blue. So I just create a random one. Let's see how it is functioning. As you see, that is like a different color. Let's try it again. It's just randomize color. As you see, each time is different color. It's like a randomized. And let's copy this one. No, copy. I'll cut in here because we want this one also be the same color. Yeah, it's now better, I think. Until 10, yeah. That's it, guys. This is, as you see, that is very simple to create a multiplication algorithm, because once is our I is, for example, is 5, it will start 5 multiply 1, then it will increase j 5 multiply 2, it will be 10, and like this, and it will go on. Just what we did, like we changed the like a the color of, like a foreground, the color of our console, and that's it. Anyway, see you next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.